A very good morning to all of you, students of class 10th. Welcome in online classes. Um, we just had, I think, 4 5 classes, and then it's lockdown. So, yeah, I think by grace of God, I was able to see all your faces. I was new, like in your class. I even don't know your names, nothing. But yeah, by God's grace, like I had seen your faces, all of your faces. So yeah, welcome in this online session, 2022 batch, class 10th. Right. One thing I would like to tell you that yes, it's now lockdown. Maybe I don't know whether 10th and 12th might be coming. I don't know exactly, and if they will be coming, then from when will they come? There is no as such written link we have got till now. But yeah, if you'll come, that will be very much blessings for all of us, because seriously 10th and 12th needs to come. They need to study offline, because I have seen last year that minimum to minimum 30% efficiency of every student decreases, minimum to minimum. Right, like I'll compare, if I'll ask about class 11th, which is now in class 12th, Astha Arpit batch. I have observed that everyone's 30% efficiency is decreased. Everyone's, not even a single student was there जिसका efficiency was not decreased. And some of the students जो थोड़े मतलब केयर फ्री होते हैं, उनका तो like 50-60% efficiency decrease हो गया था. So I'll pray to God that please at least 10th and 12th का तो school हो जाए at least, right? So yes, from today I'll be giving you homework, all of you. What you need to do is you need to complete your homework as soon as you'll get you have time till 6 p.m. in the evening, not after 6 p.m. Right, if you want to do your work in the evening time, you can give before 6 p.m., not after that, right? And you have to send it on my WhatsApp number. I'll also write it in on MCB app, but still if you want to write, I have already given you in the classroom as well. If you write it again, I'm writing it 7895865756. Prashasti ma'am, this is my spelling. Right, now what you need to do is, I think one student has sent me message on this number, on my number. This is my WhatsApp as well as my calling number, both. What you need to do is everyone, you all have to send me a message with your name, your class, if obviously your class is 10th, right? And yeah, it will be A only, science, right? So you have to write your name as well as your class, so that I can save your number, and I can make a broadcast group. In that broadcast group, if there will be any information I would like to tell, I can, about your info, like about your tests, updates, anything, about anything. So what you need to do is you need to send messages on my number, and please save my number, because if I'll make broadcast group and like for example XYZ कोई student है, उसका मैंने number save कर रखा है, and I have send him a broadcast message, और उस student ने मेरा number save नहीं कर रखा है, so he will not be able to receive my messages. ठीक है ना? फिर आप बोलेंगे हमारे को कोई मैसेज नहीं आया. सो प्लीज़ सेव माई नंबर ऑल्सो, एंड आई सेव योर नंबर ऑल्सो. That would be easy and comfortable for both of us, sorry, for all of us. Right now, we have discussed these last year questions. I don't know till where we have discussed, maybe from 9 पेज नंबर, क्वेश्चन नंबर दिस 20, जो भी क्वेश्चन नंबर था हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था. आई बिलीव आफ्टर दैट क्वेश्चन यू ऑल हैव डन दीज क्वेश्चंस एज वेल. ठीक है, इजी क्वेश्चंस हैं, कुछ ऐसा डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं है. ठीक है, इफ़ यू फाइंड डिफ़िकल्टी यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चंस विद मी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू. ठीक है, please try to be interactive in online session. See what the thing what is lacking in the online session, the most important thing is interaction is lacking. There is no interaction in online session, so you need to put more effort in online classes. You need to be more interactive, you need to be like ज़्यादा आप मुझसे पूछें क्वेश्चंस दैट मैम वी हैवंट अंडरस्टूड दिस और दैट, जनरली स्टूडेंट्स डोंट डू दिस, बट you need to do this, right? Because this is your 10th class, please be more serious and I would say loyal with yourself. ठीक है, cheating वीटिंग नहीं करने का, right? Okay, fine. Let's start this new chapter, chemical bonding. All right. So chemical bonding, yes. Basically this abhi tak we haven't got any reduction from any from ISC board, so we have to study the whole chapter. Okay. What do you mean by chemical bonding? Chemical bonding means just a bonding between two atoms chemically when they are bonded. Okay, we are not talking about attraction. Okay, there are two things. One is intermolecular attraction and other is bonding. Bonding में there is proper bond between one atom and another atom. Either they are shared, either it is electrovalent, either it is coordinate. But coordinate, I think it is new for you. But the thing is, there is proper sharing. There is proper sharing of electrons, right? On the contrary, in intermolecular attraction, what happens? This is a molecule and this is another molecule. उनके बीच में थोड़ा सा attraction हो रहा है. There is no bond as such. Bond नहीं होगा, right? In this chapter, what we are going to study? We are going to study about bonding. The types of bond. There are 3 types of bond. Ionic, which you know, call it as electrovalent. Ionic, or you can say as electrovalent. Second, covalent, and third is coordinate. These are the 3 types of bonds. We will discuss it later on. So let's move on to the book, directly on book. Everything in this world wants stability. So in case of with atoms, for atoms stability means having electron arrangement of an inert gas. Basically all the atoms in this world, in the whole periodic table, want to attain stability. That means they want to obtain octet. Octet वो चाहते हैं, they want to get their octet. That is octet in their outermost shell. It is written there. The exception is helium. Helium only want to get 2 electrons because सबसे छोटा है ना helium. Helium is like this, no? Helium has only 2 electrons in its valence shell. So helium is an exceptional case. उसको सिर्फ अपना 2 ही करना होता है. Rest all the noble gases all the atoms want to complete its octet. Helium एक ऐसा element है which only want to complete its duplet, not octet, right? Now, while all the other inert gases, that is neon, argon, krypton, radon, xenon, have 8 electrons in their outermost shell, as given in the table. It is found that elements with their complete outermost shell do not react or least reactive. Generally they are least reactive. Why they don't react? Because उनका पूरा atomic configuration fully filled हो गया. Now they don't, basically electrons का लेन देन, transfer of electrons वगैरह वो तभी होता है when a particular atom wants to complete its octet. अब यहाँ तो atoms are already octet complete, they have completed their octet, so they are either not reactive or they are least reactive. ठीक है? So what happens? Therefore, to attain stability, atoms tend to combine chemically by redistribution of electrons in the outermost shell or the valence electron. So each left with a stable electronic configuration, duplet or octet. Basically, what they are saying, कोई भी atom है, say for example, sodium is there, right? For instance, sodium is there. So sodium want to complete its duplet. Sodium want to complete its, sorry, not duplet, octet. This is 2, 8, 1. So what will happen? It will lose 1 electron and will attain stability. This is why a particular atom reacts, right? Okay. So cause of chemical combination is the tendency of elements to acquire the nearest noble gas configuration in their outermost orbit and become stable. This I have explained you that any atom in this periodic, in the whole periodic table, why do it react? It just react so that it can it can acquire stable electronic configuration. That is the only reason why a particular atom reacts. During redistribution of electrons, a bond is force of attraction, develops between atoms which binds them together to form molecule. This bond is known as a chemical bond. So basically what they are saying, ऐसा होता है at the time when they are losing electron or gaining electron, at the time like the sodium is losing electron and this chlorine is gaining electron, at the time when they do so, what happens, there comes a force of attraction between two atoms. With the result they bind with each other, एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ जाते हैं, they bind with each other. That is known as a chemical bond, right? A chemical bond may be defined as the force of, underline this, a chemical bond may be defined as the force of attraction between two atoms in a molecule to maintain stability. There are three methods in which atom can combine. First is electrovalent or ionic bond, second is covalent or molecular bond, and third is coordinate bond. If you will turn the page, you will see that this is coordinate bond, right? क्या कह रहा है? What is there in ionic bond? Transfer of one electron from one atom to another atom. Transfer of one electron, one or more electrons, पूरा का पूरा transfer हो जाना is known as ionic. You see, I have made these three parts. Ionic में क्या होता है? There is a complete transfer of electron. There is a complete transfer of electron. Covalent में sharing of electron. And what is this coordinate? एक्चुअली ऐसा क्या होता है, कोऑर्डिनेट में भी देयर इज शेयरिंग, कोवलेंट पे भी शेयरिंग होता है, कोऑर्डिनेट पे भी शेयरिंग होता है. बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कोवलेंट एंड कोऑर्डिनेट? लाइक दिस इज नाइट्रोजन एंड दिस इज हाइड्रोजन, ठीक है. सो बेसिकली नाइट्रोजन का एक इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड हाइड्रोजन का एक इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर हो रहा है. नाइट्रोजन कैन टेक द इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन as well as hydrogen can also take the electron of this nitrogen. तो दोनों की तरफ से एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आया, दोनों ने शेयर करा एंड वी कॉल इट एज अ कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. इसको क्या हमने बोला? कोवलेंट. बट if both the electrons are of nitrogen, I'll explain you in detail later on, अभी पूरे चैप्टर में हम पढ़ेंगे. But what happens when नाइट्रोजन जो है, नाइट्रोजन के दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, देर आर बोथ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एंड इट इज़ बीइंग शेयर्ड बाय बोथ ऑफ देम. हाइड्रोजन भी वो ले रहा है, शेयर कर रहा है, बट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दोनों किसके हैं? नाइट्रोजन के. एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वी कॉल इट एज कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड. कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड इज डिनोटेड एज दिस एरो. इस एरो से कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड डिनोट होता है. फॉर इंस्टेंस आई विल शो यू, दिस इज NH3. नाइट्रोजन हैज़ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, ठीक है. अब हाइड्रोजन हैज़ 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो हाइड्रोजन ने अपना ड्यूप्लेट बना लिया. सिमिलरली हाइड्रोजन हैज़ मेड हिज ड्यूप्लेट, इट्स ड्यूप्लेट हेयर, ठीक है. नाइट्रोजन का क्या हुआ? 2, 4, 6 and 8. नाइट्रोजन हैज़ फुलफिल्ड इट्स ऑक्टेट. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन? दिस इज NH3. NH3 तो सभी ने ही सुना है. This is NH3. NH3. Now this is a lone pair. ये लोन पेयर कहते हैं, जो शेयर्ड पेयर नहीं होते, दैट इज लोन पेयर, ठीक है. अभी ये जो लोन पेयर है, H पॉजिटिव विल कम. नाउ हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डज दिस H पॉजिटिव हैव? H पॉजिटिव मीन्स हाइड्रोजन हैज़ ओनली 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, और वो इकलौता इलेक्ट्रॉन भी वी हैव टेकन अवे. So hydrogen has 0, H plus ion has 0 electrons. इसके पास it do not have any single electron. So what will happen? It will form bond with nitrogen. अब बिना इलेक्ट्रॉन के बॉन्ड कैसे बनाएगा? Both the electrons will be shared by this nitrogen, ठीक है. और हाइड्रोजन दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन, H plus ion, not hydrogen. Hydrogen has 1 electron, but H plus ion do not have even a single electron, है ना. So ये जो लोन पेयर है, इट इज़ बीइंग शेयर्ड बाय H plus ions as well as nitrogen. So this type of bond is known as coordinate bond and it is denoted by this arrow. चाहे तो arrow दिखा दो, चाहे तो मत दिखाओ, it is not compulsory. You can make it like this also. This is NH4 positive, or you can make it like this, NH H and this arrow H plus. So in both the ways we can denote it. Right? Okay. You can see here, when the shared electron pairs are contributed by only one of the combining atoms, the bond is known as coordinate bond. Are you reading? We have to watch the video also. Okay? Say yes or no. Now we will study each and every type of bond in detail. So the first is ionic or electrovalent. Atoms of metallic elements that have 1, 2, 3 valence electron can lose electrons to the atoms of non-metallic elements which have 7, 6 or 5 electrons respectively in their outermost shell, thereby forming an electrovalent compound. Right? After the transfer of electrons, both the combining atoms acquire the electronic configuration to the nearest inert gas. The metallic atom which loses electron becomes positively charged ion and is known as cation, and the non-metallic atom which gains electron becomes negatively charged ion and is known as anion. An ion, underline this, an ion is a charged particle which is formed due to gain or loss of one or more electrons by an atom. Right? Basically, what are they saying? Generally, ionic bond, ionic or electrovalent. Ionic or electrovalent bond is formed because of the tendency to either completely lose or to completely gain of electron. ये तभी बनता है, ionic bond is formed only when a particular atom completely loses electron or it completely gains electron. ठीक है? अब now tell me what should be the electronic configuration when an atom loses electron, want to lose. Say for example, if there is one valence electron, so it cannot take 7 electrons nor it can share 1 electron, it will completely lose 1 electron. ठीक है? Generally 1, 2, 3 at valence electron, those who have valence electron 1, 2, 3. For example, sodium has valence electron 1, magnesium has valence electron 2, aluminium has valence electron 3. So these generally form ionic bond, ठीक है ना, which are in the condition to lose electrons. Similarly, those who have 5, 6, 7 valence electron, they will gain electron. For example, 5. 5. For example, chlorine. Chlorine has 17, that is 2, 8, 7. So it will gain electron. ठीक है? For example, क्लोरीन के पहले कौन आता है? ऑक्सीजन इज देयर, राइट. इसके नीचे जो भी होता है, जो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, आई डोंट रिमेंबर. ऑक्सीजन जैसे होता है, ऑक्सीजन विल ऑल्सो टेक इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 2 and 6, so it will also gain electrons, right? H2O भी, sorry, Mg2O is also an ionic bond, forms ionic bond. So those who have similarly 5 electrons जो हुए, that will also gain electrons. Ionic bond is formed when we have 1, 2, 3 valence electron or 6, 7, 8 valence electron. 5, 6, 7, not 8, sorry, 5, 6, 7 valence electron, they generally form ionic bond, right? Now those who lose electron form positively charged species and they are termed as cations. Those who gain electron form negatively charged species and are termed as anions. Cations, anions. In short, both are under the category of ions. Ions means any charged species. Charged species, right? For instance, what are the charged species? CO3 2 negative, Mg2 positive, HNO, HCO3 negative. So any charged species, कोई भी species जिसके ऊपर charge हो, we call it as ions, right? So electropositive atoms which form cations, electronegative elements which form anions, right? You see, the cation and the anion being oppositely charged attract each other and form a chemical bond. Since this chemical bond formation is due to electrostatic force of attraction between cation and anion, it is called electrovalent or ionic bond. Remember that the attraction between electrovalent atoms, electrovalent bond is electrostatic force of attraction, right? You see one more definition of electrovalent compounds. The chemical compound formed as a result of transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom are called ionic. Electrovalency जो लूज़ करता है, दैट इज जितना एटम उसने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स उसने लूज़ किया और गेन किया. A particular atom when loses electron or gains electron, so the number of electrons loosed or gained by that atom is called its electrovalency. Right, now next comes condition. इतना सही पढ़ा हमने 20 minutes में. I need to, अच्छा स्टार्टिंग का 5 minutes तो हमने ऐसी डिस्कशन में निकाल दिया था. I need to increase my speed. Okay, then this is enough for today. In the next lecture we will study what are the conditions for the formation of electrovalent bond. All right, what your homework is, write down your homework in text question. Do it in the book in the same pattern as if we were as the way we were doing in offline classes. Question number 1, question number 2, only 1 and 2. अभी तक हमने इतना ही पढ़ा. Do these questions and send it to me on my WhatsApp number 7895865756. Thank you very much. Bye bye.